こんにちは。もちマインドのしょうこです。Hello, welcome to Mochi Mind. I'm Shoko. Today, we are learning how to introduce yourself in Japanese. Let's take it step by step. はじめまして。This means nice to meet you. It's what we say when we're meeting someone for the first time. Okay, let's practice. はじめまして。はじめまして。Next, simply say your name followed by です。For example, my name is Shoko. So I say, Shoko です。Shoko です。Now it's your turn. Say your name and です。Well done. Then say, どうぞよろしく。Let's break that down a little. どうぞ means please. よろしく is about doing things in a kind, balanced, or cooperative way. Put together, it means something like, I hope we get along well, or let's work well together. Including a bow gives it a more authentic Japanese feel. Let's practice. どうぞよろしく。どうぞよろしく。Let's put it all together. Step 1, はじめまして。Step 2, your name and です。Step 3, どうぞよろしく。Let's practice that full introduction one more time. Well done. If you liked this short lesson, please like and subscribe. The next lesson will be in 1 week. See you.